Okay, so now we're gonna make our fireworks. Super easy, but very cool. It does take a little time because you have to let it dry completely. So you need your black paper, your watercolors, and your glue. So what you're gonna do is with your glue, again, your glue pen, you're just gonna make kind of like a little burst. Oh, and your salt, silly me. So you all got 2 things of salt, which is way more than you need. So I'm just gonna do 2 to show you. You can do them as big or as small, horizontal, vertical, whichever way you wanna go. And then I just put some dots out there too on mine just to get it. So this is the first thing you're gonna do, and you can do all of the gluing at one time if you want, just because the salt can get really messy. So then open up your salt. I would recommend doing this on a table for sure, maybe a platter if you have it, so the salt goes all in one place. And just like glitter, just exactly like you do glitter when you do glitter at school, you're just gonna dump it all over wherever there is glue. Oop. Mine came out with a chunk. So if you get a chunk, just move it aside and crush it up. So once it's covered, again, it's awesome. And you can do all kinds of pictures. I just thought we'd start with this one. So you're gonna wanna shake it around, let me show you. Shake it around just like glitter to cover everything. And then you need to put it aside to dry. It needs to dry for at least 2 hours because I tried doing one of mine and I'll show you mine. It was still a little wet and it actually takes the salt off. So make sure it's dried, put it aside. But I left a couple not painted on mine so you could see. But see these little spots here, the salt actually came off. That was because I tried painting too soon. So this one and these 2 dots I haven't painted. So what you do, decide what color you're gonna want. Again, you need lots of water. I'm gonna go dip it in the paint, back in the water, back in the paint. And then, this is the cool part. You wanna make sure your last dip is you just touch it and it like absorbs it. See, it's with lots of water, you don't really even have to dab it. It just goes right. This one's going is good. Now notice that my color is getting a little light, so that means I need more paint. And then you just dab it till it's all done. You could do, if you want, each lay, you could do a different color. Just make sure you clean out your brush in between. So let me see, I'm gonna do the last part of this leg, a blue. See if I can go in and change any of this. Not really. And then I have the 2 dots over there. I'm gonna do one. Again, your water goes first. So this, my green doesn't have very much paint. Don't, as I say, you need a lot of water, you do, but make sure you use this brush because too much water, remember, salt is water soluble. That means it will disappear. Add a little orange to it just to give it a different color here. Red. Oops, that one was too much water. So then again, put it aside. The paint itself dries really fast. Have fun with that. So next we're going to do, let's do our wind chime thing, okay?